must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much, but when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that I don't understand, words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you looked in my eyes, 'cause by now I know that you'd feel the way that I do. And I whisper these words as you lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. So today I finally find, and the courage deep inside, just to walk right up to your door. But my body can't move when I finally get it, just like 1,000 times before. Then without a word he handed me this letter. Read, I hope this finds the way into your heart. It said, I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Well, maybe I need a new love, yeah. And maybe I need a little care. And maybe you, how you need somebody just to hold you. If you do, just reach out and I'll be there. I love you. Please say